And it begins. We are ready to pour some concrete. I'm back.
That's it. We're done.
We're done.
Okay, that was all the way back.
We're going to use a brand new. We're live over there. I'm going to use a brand new clip-on blades today. That was unhooked. My strap was unhooked, holding the power screed on.
Like who did that?
My heart is going about 180 miles an hour because it's the first slab. Just a little bit excited. I really am kind of worked up this morning. It's just my, wow. Oh. You got that big guy?
Yeah.
We got a truck. Maybe that's why I'm worked up. We got a front discharge mixer. We got to see if he clears that wire. Yeah, I guess you're under it. About an inch. Yeah. All right. Let's move you up around the other side. You can see what's going on. Yep. Perfect. Perfect. I think we're good.
It's kind of
This is it. First mud of the year. You like it?
I like it.
You touched it first.
I did.
Yep. It felt so good. Woo. I'm done. I gotta go have break. Now I'm wedged right in here. I'm blocked in. I can't do anything. Coming out. I'm not moving mine much. Anyway. When we get near the end, this is where you wonder, did you order enough concrete? So far we've had plenty. We'll shape it around more after he's done and gone. Then we'll run the power screed on it. The bow float. Yeah, it looks like we're going to get it. Maybe. Uh-oh. Is he out? He is a good operator. Sometimes it'll get filled where there's a half a yard extra in the slab. You have to pull it off, rake it around. We haven't had to hardly move any. Especially me. I'm all out of breath. I haven't done anything.
Doesn't work too bad.
Did we run you out of concrete?
No, I got a little left.
Need a shovel, Chad?
I think pretty much got it.
Good
Or-
timing then, because this is a brand new shovel.
Yeah, geez, you don't want to break it in yet.
No. All right, thank you.
That's gonna be enough.
Yeah, it looks good.
No, not at all. That was good. Is it okay if you're on a video? We usually do some YouTube videos of this. I mentioned to the guys Friday on the road that we're going to be pouring concrete today, and I'm pretty sure we can work around it.
Yeah. Perfect. In the sun, the yellow bed.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is that? 24 by 24?
Yeah. Salt box.
Yeah.
So it'll be like it's steep on the front.
That'd be good. And block some of the neighbors. That'd be good.
Yeah.
I don't know where you can clean out. Probably like. Yeah, that should be good. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Good.
Wow, Chad.
You didn't unlock.
Hard work.
You haven't unlocked the side door yet, have you?
No.
I'm going in.
Well, it's pretty much high.
Could you hold this so it doesn't go onto the concrete? I'll just.
Yep.
I wanted to see if we had a 5-gallon bucket for water.
Yeah.
Back to the
Uh-huh.
back up.
I'll go out the other door, Chad.
Okay. Can you see?
In the trailer, I'm completely in the dark. Yep. All right. Thanks. Nice. Wow.
Oh wow.
The thing about concrete, after you pour it, is
Still
you have
high.
to clean the rakes and the shovels. He's cleaning his chutes and cleaning out inside of that, because once it sets, then it compounds itself. It just builds up more and more, and then all of a sudden you're running a jackhammer.
An air on it, or
You want to do it?
doesn't matter?
I was just going to, I got to reset the camera. Good to go whenever. Chad volunteered to run the power screed, so I don't have to. So bringing it over here.
Maybe just a little bit. Maybe just a little there. Probably could do that.
The power screed is actually it has a cam inside that spins around, and so it vibrates. And it vibrates the concrete.
Beautiful.
Air bubbles come out. It just compacts everything. Gives it that first initial smoothing. We did in a previous video show that we started it and ran it.
Yeah.
This is the first one of the season.
Okay.
I had to prime the dickens out of it last time.
It's on, yep.
Switch on, contact,
How much is the difference?
ignition. One pull, two pulls.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. 3 pulls. So 3 pulls.
Oh, come on.
Might stall.
You can. Ready?
Nothing runs like a deer. Oh, or a Honda.
There we go. Yeah.
I don't have a shovel. Dan's got a shovel. And we got concrete. Oh, that's not very fast. Realize I've been recording and probably Chad was mic'd, so it's probably picking up his noise. He's kind of cross-dressing it here. Did it one way, then went going the opposite direction. That screed weighs, I think, around 50, 60 pounds, somewhere in there. Again, that vibration takes the air bubbles out, just settles the concrete so there's no voids, especially around the edges of the forms. If you don't do that, it gives a rattiness around the forms. Dan's getting set up with a bull float to go over it once Chad's done. Oh yeah, he's got it. All right. Whew. Okay. Beep. Look at what they're doing here. Are you guys playing in the mud?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Oh, so it's manageable. These guys
so
are
it's
thinking
out of
ahead,
the way
That was Chad's fault.
when we cut out the openings.
making small shovels full. So when we remove it, because we have to clean this up, so it looks nice when we leave. An orange flag on the back of. Would you consider yourself a bull, Dan?
What?
A bull,
Yeah.
because that's a bull float. Do you float? You should have seen his video on ice water, the plunge this spring. Jumped in the water while it was absolutely freezing. The ice was barely gone. When he turns that handle, you can see how it changes the angle of the blade. Oh, that's pretty. You need to. Is that how we finish it off? We just pat it?
Yep. So I'm trying to pass
soft
him
over
back.
there.
The what?
It's soft over there, but here it's like super hard. Super hard.
Oh yeah.
These two.
Oh, somebody already walked out there?
Someone walked here and
Somebody just did there.
so what's that?
So with the combination blades, I think we're going to want to hit it twice before we take them off, and then it'll be the finished blades. There, that's the conversation.
Wow,
That's a deep one. Did you want to do it with the brand new blades?
Is your wrist up for it?
Oh, it is, yeah. But I could try a little bit. I'll try a little. First pull. Switch on. Choke off. First pull. Throttle down. Boy, it still feels pretty soft.
Yeah.
One. Pull. Well, it wasn't really up for that, but just holding on is not as much an issue. Here we go. First time with the... Hey, can we bring the camera over here and get a close-up? I'll wait. Dan's going to bring the camera. He's the official cameraman at this point. Watch out, Chad. He's backing up. You good? Huh? Okay. And are we live? We're live. Here he goes. First time with these blades. Look at that. So I can't really talk while I'm running this, but they're a wider dimension. There's more square inchage to the paddle, so there's a lot more drag on it. It feels really wet right now. I'll hit this just a little bit, but I don't think we're going to go very far with this one. That is really nice. Kind of like me. So we went a little ways. It's still pretty soft, but the bigger blades seem to really spread the weight so it doesn't sink in. If you try to do that with finished blades, it would gouge right down in there. It'd be a disaster. We don't want disasters. So now we wait. I won't tell my joke about concrete people. That I've told it on almost every job I do, so I won't tell that one. Unless you want to hear it. If you do want to hear it, so here it is. The joke is, or the rumor is, that concrete people have the shortest lifespan of anyone in the world, because you hurry up like crazy to pour the concrete, then you sit and eat donuts and stuff, and you wait. Then you hurry like crazy to power trowel, and then you wait and eat more donuts, and that's the theory. I heard that from a professional concrete person.
Where's the donuts?
Yeah, where are the donuts?
Where's the donut? I got my salad. That'll do. All right. See ya. I do believe it's ready. You should be able to go over the whole thing for the first time. We're planning on hitting it twice with the combination blades. Then we'll take those off, and probably twice with the finished blades. They said they'd be willing to finish it. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to work on my new hobby. And it's actually going to have a reveal on Friday. So you'll be able to see what my new hobby is. Some of you already suspect what it is and are probably right. Anyway, I'll be looking for input on my new channel. Okay, it's all theirs. I'm in good. They're in good. Who's in good hands? I'm in good hands with you guys.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I'm in good hands with them. All right. Dan gave a thumbs up. So I left them alone, and guess what happened? They did a perfect job. It looks really good. So when we come back, we'll strip the forms, start putting walls up. What a big day. Woo! And it's a noisy neighborhood. The school right across the road, and then all the road construction. And Dan making a lot of noise. Chad's making a lot of noise. Everybody's making noise. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this. And again, Friday, new channel coming out. And I'll give you a link in the description box Friday on Friday's regular video. All right, thanks for watching. Please leave a comment and hit the like button. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Hope to see you soon. See ya.